India virtually participated in the 21st Annual Council of Ministers meeting of the Indian Ocean Rim Association or IORA on 17 November 2021, led by Minister of State External Affairs DR.RK.RANJAN Singh. The IORA Council of Ministers was held in a hybrid format in Dhaka, and Dhaka Communique was adopted at the end of the meeting. Minister of State DR.RK.RANJAN, in his remarks, reaffirmed India's strong commitment to strengthening IORA, the largest and preeminent organization in the Indian Ocean region, to promote peace, security and prosperity in the region as well as in the wider Indo-Pacific. He highlighted India's contributions as coordinator of the IORA priority areas of disaster risk management or DRM. During the strategic dialogue on the topic Impact of COVID-19 and Perspectives of Economic Recovery in the Indian Ocean region, providing an overview of India's own experience of combating COVID-19 pandemic, Minister of State R.K.RANJAN underlined India's assistance as a first responder in the region to various countries in the Indo-Pacific during the COVID-19 and emphasized India's readiness to share experience and resources in the spirit of solidarity. As a country committed to strengthening of IORA, India undertook various initiatives during the current year, including assisting the IORA Secretariat, conducting capacity building workshops in the areas ranging from yoga and traditional medicines to remote sensing, UN close and ocean data management, and leading the discussions on various issues under IORA. Minister of State congratulated Bangladesh for assuming the chairship of IORA. He welcomed the Russian Federation as a new dialogue partner of IORA. He also congratulated Ambassador Salman Al-Farisi for being selected as the next Secretary General of Indian Ocean Rim Association and expressed hope that a full-time Secretary General will help impart fresh energy to the vision of the organization.